WhatsApp is being used by about 1.5 billion people worldwide. It's one of the largest services in the world today used for messaging. But this also gives an undue advantage, a powerful advantage to people who want to spread false messages. You're watching India Today Tech. I'm Rahul Sethi, and in this video, we're going to take a look at top 5 misconceptions people have about WhatsApp, courtesy forwarded messages.
वाह, जैसे सरकार पहले कम दखलंदाजी कर रही थी, now the government can read my WhatsApp messages.
WhatsApp chats are end-to-end encrypted, which means that when a message leaves your phone, it is converted into a combination of letters and numbers that no human or machine can understand until it reaches the intended receiver, who has the key to decode the message into English or a more readable format. This brings us to our myth number 2. Can WhatsApp be hacked? Now, since the chats are end-to-end encrypted, even WhatsApp servers don't know what you're chatting about. And only one way person can read your WhatsApp chat, that is when he gets hold of your number. If a person is able to know your verification code, he can get WhatsApp on your number, and only then he'll be able to read your WhatsApp messages.
25 बार मैसेज फॉरवर्ड करो तो दुआएं मिलेगी, सुना था मैंने। यहाँ तो 25 बार मैसेज फॉरवर्ड करो तो बैटरी चार्ज हो जाती है।
That's the stupidest myth you must have ever heard. Apps cannot charge batteries. Neither do forwarding messages give you blessings. If you want blessings, do some real work. What these messages can do is crash your WhatsApp. Some messages have a hidden code that, when run, overflows WhatsApp's stack in the background and makes it restart. That is the worst that could happen by forwarding a message. But yes, if you want to do good deeds, go out there and do some social stuff.
यार ये सरकार ना पीछा ही नहीं छोड़ेगी। मतलब now the government can arrest you for sending offensive messages. बताओ।
Firstly, your chats are end-to-end encrypted, so the government doesn't really know what you are sending. And even if it finds out somehow what you are sending, it cannot arrest you simply because the message was offensive. The law doesn't allow it.
ये ज़करबर्ग को ना नया काम पकड़ लेना चाहिए, बता रही हूँ। मतलब पहले तो हमारा डेटा लीक कर दिया, अब फेसबुक हमारे मैसेजेस भी पढ़ सकता है, चैट।
Facebook has a policy that it can get user data from WhatsApp, but it's limited to a user's number only. But recently, long after Facebook acquired WhatsApp, WhatsApp's CEO Brian Acton left the company. Though he didn't clearly mention why he was leaving, but after the acquisition, very few people from WhatsApp are on the Facebook board. Given that Facebook was recently in news about sharing user data with third-party apps, you could never know going forward what may happen to the WhatsApp user data. Let us know what you think about this in the comment section below. Also, if you've liked this video, hit the thumbs up button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel to get latest videos on technology like this. Thank you for watching.